you guys back with another video. It's Rocco. I'm using my friend's account. Here we go. I just landed and here we go. We're gonna play some Roblox, but this is gonna be Roblox Fortnite. So this is gonna be even good. I'm gonna try to see what I could do here because I play Fortnite on PC and I'm using my friend's account, by the way, so he has a lot of stuff on the Roblox. I wanted to see because many people were saying that you should like play Roblox and Fortnite. I said, you know what, I should do it. I have to listen to you guys. I'm not gonna just do stuff better. So it's gonna be good. Let's check this whole map out. Okay, we have a lot of places. I'm all the way down there at the end. I'm here. Okay, let's go there. So I looked at the keybinds, and guys, you should get your merch for a Fortnite, and it's gonna be.
Guys, he has Fortnite merch.
You can get them at Exist Kids.
Rocco, show them your shirt. It says Fortnite.
It says Fortnite on my shirt, and it's such a good shirt, guys. You should honestly just buy it. They're really good. This company that bought it, I got it from my grandparents, and they said they came from a merch company, and I should tell the viewers. My God, this looks like Dusty Depot. Oh my God, this is so good. When I get on my Xbox later. Shield battery. How do you use it? I'm using a big shield. I just got 50 shield. Is that material? A shotgun ammo? Okay. Ammo. So I'm a really good PC player in real Fortnite. I'm just trying out this. And this is so good, guys. I'm gonna throw this nade. I'm doing it in the playground mode because no one can play with me. Except myself. I almost killed myself right there. Guys, where am I going? Alright guys, it's nighttime and I need to get some mats right now. This is like how do you even so I just built a bed. Alright guys, that's so weird. Shout out to my friend who let me borrow his account. He has a YouTube channel. I forgot the name of it. Yo, what's your YouTube channel name?
Ultra Shark Gamers.
Guys,
you're using it now.
I know. Guys.
Rocco, you know that live stream only lasts it only lasts 15 minutes. So if you do more than 15 minutes, then it will like end by itself because the limit is only 15 minutes.
How do I know that it's 15 minutes?
Because like it says on the thing, it's like Screenomatic only lasts 15 minutes. That's right. Sorry to interrupt.
No, it's alright. I'm looking at it right now. Okay. You taught me a lot of stuff here. Okay. Wow, this is a little complicated. Actually, I only have 48 wood. Yo, this is like the real Fortnite. I see literally the clock tower over there.
Wait, there's a clock tower?
Yeah, over here at the square.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Yeah, it's so.
Wait, what I do is I go back to see if I'm still recording. Yeah, 5 minutes of recording.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some mats. Oh, that's a campfire. I'll play Fortnite real PC. It's just. Yo, this is such a good keyboard. I need to buy it. $200. I think
It is.
I can do it.
You actually buy it?
Yeah, I would actually buy it. Yo, the mats here are so cheap.
Imagine if you wanted that keyboard and I gave it away to like some of my fans. You would just like pray, give it back. You would like want it back.
I'm the best builder in this game.
You know, once I tried to build a house with those wood.
Yo, I think I could start playing better at Fortnite if I keep on practicing. Yo, I'm gonna log into my account on Roblox when I get to my house on my PC. So this is called Playground Mode Fortnite.
There's all types of modes.
Or,
Wait, is there all types of modes in the actual real Fortnite?
Yeah, in the same room with this too. I'm gonna try to get you a win after this one.
So Victory Royale?
Yeah.
Oh wait, you're not playing in battleground? Like playground?
I'm gonna just put.
Oh, she said.
I'm playing.
Your mom said to come down now.
What?
Look, your mom sent you a text message to come down. He's just staying over my house, guys. Look, the fresh text. What's up, guys?
Say my book back. Say my book back.
1 sec, I'm getting my book.
What the heck? Wait, did I get logged out of Roblox?
No, you didn't. You just got it. Wait.
What the heck?
Did you actually get logged out?
What the heck?
Guys! Oh, God. During a live stream. No, this is not live. Wait, let me get you back here.
Yo, guys, this is not fake.
I just searched this I'm just cheating in Clone Tycoon 2. Yeah.
Guys, this is not fake gameplay.
Alright,
it's
right here. This.
We were watching a lot of Roblox, so you could teach me.
We were.
So I was like, yo, I want to download Roblox on my computer.
Make sure you guys.
No, could you just text me on it? That's it. I want to stay here for like 1 minute.
Wait, Rocco, what's your YouTube channel?
Rocco Fortnite Beast.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to Rocco's channel. He does really good videos. I see his videos and he does really good. He is like an expert at it. He does a lot of amazing stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm a pro at Fortnite.
We might make a diss track soon. Not on anyone, but just to make a song for ourselves. You know. Yo, guys, soon we're gonna have some Instagram and social media.
Yeah, I have some.
Me too, actually. So why are you?
I have an Instagram.
I have Instagram, but not Snapchat. Maybe I'll get Snapchat soon. And this is what we call a play day. I mean, it is. Hey guys, do you know what Granny is? Comment down below if you know what it is.
You know you could Yeah, I'm gonna check. 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
Guys, I'm gonna have to go, I think. So, oh, Daniel, could you text me a message to download it?
To like download for Roblox?
Yeah.